This is the last message I'm going to send to everybody who live here in Luzon City. January 4, January 5, 2024. We are all going to go home there at Siquijor. Siquijor Island, which we are going to pass from the center of Mindanao, which is located in Liga City, going to west side, going to Samis, and then to Paraquita City, Plaridel. Ahead of that places is Dipolog City, which is very known, a very big city, one of the very big city in Mindanao. Then ahead is Zamboanga City, but we will stop to before Dipolog City, Plaridel, so that we can take a ship. As of now, we are waiting for my relatives is going to have a vacation here together with his husband, with small boy son, their son. His name is Vanessa. She is my relative's first cousin at the side of my mother. Then upon be here on that 3 people, when they are going to go home, and I will be the one to also to go home, and including those people around who live there in Dumaguete or Cebu City, they can take a ride through Plaridel Port, and then they cannot see, and then the second is Dapitan, as I had known, had information from other person. But this person who was engaged on a member of the Federation of International Football Association is about, maybe he is about to go home. Then there's no other way that place to go home. It's because very near it there, he is going to west side from Liga City, going to Samis, and then to Roquita City, and before the Dipolog City. And there is 2 port which is located in Dapitan City and Plaridel. Dapitan is not a city, which is a very big barrio or donsud, tinatawag nila. And they are going to go home right over there because they are going to have crossed the sea towards to Siquijor Island, and that is including me. And then we are only going to inform sooner, but we are going to go home through the west side of the center of Mindanao, Liga City. And in my left is Cagayan City, and in my right is going to Dipolog City, Sami City. That's it. We are going to go home, but we are waiting those my relatives to come here just to have a vacation, and after their vacation we will be together to go home. And those people who wants to go home, just tell them and inform them they are going to go home together with us to go in Siquijor, because we have our land there, portion of land. For also, it is my vacation to have my sickness, to have a refer for a doctor over there, or maybe Dr. Pak or the other mean in Siquijor, domestic island. So we are going to go home. So at my right side is going to Usami City, Dipolog City, and then Pagadian City, Zamboanga City. But we are going to stop in Dapitan or Planta. There are two ports which we can cross into Siquijor and into Cebu, and then by land trucking, land travel, we can reach Cebu City, which is our head of the association before. When I was a high school student, I was playing in Panalong Pambansa, and he is our coach. And then, in despite of these days of the war coming from the outside the country, and it's very hard not to face our relatives in the far place like Siquijor. So I would not tell them we will be together to go home if my relatives will come here, because I will not go home alone. It's supposed that I have a company with anybody wants to go home in Siquijor Island, to cross in that big sea to that island of Siquijor. Then tell them, anybody wants to have go home in Siquijor, tell them to have land travel before to reach the port and cross over the sea and into the island of Siquijor. And then it's very near the Dumaguete port and the Cebu port. So very near, you can have a land trip. But you need to pay your vehicle to have embark aboard on the ship. You have to pay, including myself, including yourself, including the things, including the vehicle. You need to pay. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. It's January 4, 2024. January 4 or 5, 2024. But we're going to go home before that. My relatives to go home, or if my relatives will arrive here just for a vacation together with my pamangkin. So we are going to go home. It's very lucky to travel there than west side to Dipolog City, Usami City, Pagadian City, than to have travel over there in Surigao and to have close on that DP Samar Island and into Tacloban. It's very big of expenditure. So like here, just take a bus passenger and we can go home. So for those who has a vehicle, you bring your vehicle. So but you need permit to travel. Let the medical personnel here in Legal City to have signature for your travel, including your family. As of me, I am alone. So my mother will live here. I will let my mother and I will go home with my cousin and then to have a vacation there and Siquijor Island. So I hope everybody can prepare that time when I am going to have information that we are going to go home after the vacation of my relatives. Everybody are coming from Siquijor Island. Then after the vacation, they are going to go home, including me. And then we are going to have baggages, a lot of baggages with them. And that's all. Those Iliganos who wants to go home to Siquijor Island, please tell the other Iliganos to go home, how to go home. Over there, you can take a passenger bus, and the other one, then enjoy travel. And then be sure that you are not going to have go back because very expensive expenditure. um, uh, rather of the expenditure of the barge, the vehicle into the barge, carrying the black barges to carry a lot of vehicle towards Ocean City and to have travel to. It's a lot of expenditure. So within the family of a member of 5 person or 15 person you can have. So you just bring for food 70,000, 80,000 pesos. I'm very sure that. I am very sure you bring 70,000 pesos for your food and for the payment of the vehicle going to cross aboard on a ship across the sea, crossing the island, and it's up to them to the governments find a place to have a port, a ship going to the Mediterranean Cebu. It's up to them. Just bring 70,000 or for your food and the family and the payments of the gasoline, the payments of the for aboard of the passenger ship, the barge. It's very high cost of payment. One way is maybe Portugal is amounting to 10,000 as of now. So do not go back anymore because you're going to pay 20,000. So you just have keep in your wallet and maybe 70,000, then just go home straight. Do not come back again if you don't have money. So that's all. For the Silicanos who know this information, just tell them to other Ilicanos was to cross that sea towards your island. It's very nice place. But if you like to go home to your place like Dumaguete and Cebu City, you can have a takeaway and in Tacloban and anywhere before local. There are 2 ports which is located in Dapitan as of the information coming from real source. 1 port in Dapitan, 1 port in Plaridel, and the 3rd is Susana City. It's very big. So in here in Iligan City there is no ship to cross that wide sea and deep. It's very dangerous. So in despite of these days, the time of war, we will be suspected and we will be suspicious and we will be declared as an enemy ship. There is a lot of submarine under the water, very deep water, so be careful. So much better than to have preparation. And then the ship here in Iligan City, there's no information of to have traveled from the port of Iligan City going to any port of Mindanao and Visayas. As I had heard, something happened really bad to the ship. It's maybe repair or dry dock or repair or anything. We are here in Iligan City as of now. Good evening, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Today is maybe January 5, 2024. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good luck to everybody. Again, you tell to Iliganos wants to go home to Island of Secure, Cebu, Dipolog, and 2 other parts of the Visayas. They can have a ship just to have close on that. Very near Dumaguete City, Cebu City, very near to a land trip. And especially for Secure Island, it travels only an hour. So be careful and good luck just inform those who wants to go home. Good luck, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. January 5, 2024. Yes, Walter Chung speaking from Menegan City. Thank you very much.